Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something completely out of the ordinary. I know. I'm going to just be polishing my nails with normal nail polish. You heard it right, normal nail polish. But first, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, I don't understand why not, because you know these nails are about to be fire. Now let's get into the design. First, I'm going to start out with just one coat of my Sally Hansen Hard as Nails nail polish. Alrighty, our base nail polish is going to be by Nails Ink, and the color of the nail polish is going to be Getting Hot in Here. It's supposed to be a thermo change nail polish, but so far I haven't seen a change, so we'll see what happens. And I'm going to do 2 coats of this nail polish to get full opacity. And make sure you cap those edges, because we ain't trying to ruin a mani and we ain't trying to make our nails burn. Can't color within the sidewalls. I'm using my cleanup brush and a little bit of acetone nail polish remover to clean around my edges so my nails can look all neat and crisp. So once I wait 15 minutes for this layer of nail polish to dry, I'm going to use my acrylic paint. I'm going to use Snow White, and I'm also going to use bright red, just so it's easier for me to do the design. And to get the pinkish color that I'm going to use, I just mixed some of the white and some of the red together. So for the hearts, it is very simple to do. You're going to take your dotting tool or any circular object to make the dot, and you're just going to do 2 dots, and then you're going to drag them together to form a heart. And I like to kind of fill in a little bit in the middle. I'm sorry you can't see it, my hand was in the way, but I like to fill in a little bit in the middle just to make it look more heart-like. Alrighty, so I've been happy with the placement of my hearts. It's time to do some polka dots. I love polka dots. They are the way to my heart. They are so whimsical. They are so fun. I love polka dots. And I will clean up that little bit of paint that is on my sidewall later. You can use water just to clean it off, but I already had acetone and damping dish, so I just used acetone to clean it off. On this ring finger, again, I'm just going to do hearts and polka dots. I did end up mixing more of my red and white together and got like a darker pink. So that's why this pink is going to look a little bit more different. And this time I use a smaller dotting tool on this hand. There's no rhyme or reason. I just wanted to use a smaller dotting tool. colors on. The wonderful thing about acrylic paint, it dries super fast. So I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes, and now I'm going to top coat all 5 nails with my Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail polish. It's actually supposed to just be like a fast drying nail polish, but it works as a good top coat too. So make sure you cap those free edges. Don't make me come get you. You better cap those free edges. Cap them. Alright, and once all 5 nails was top coated, I waited about 15 to 20 minutes just to make sure that the nail polish was dry. And now it is cuticle oil time, because I don't know if y'all saw, but my nails was crusty, dusty, and busted before this video started because I had just took off some nail polish that I had on. I didn't do a video for that nail polish, but I just had on some nail polish. And now I'm gonna rub in the cuticle oil and make my hands all hydrated and happy. Alrighty, and here is what the nails look like, all hydrated with that cuticle oil. Look at them looking all cute and Valentine and festive. And my blue, I like this blue nail polish. It's actually a cute nail polish. Alrighty, and now it's time for the reveals. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell everybody you can think of about what I'm doing on my channel. And as per usual, products will be listed below in the description box. I will try my hardest to